All right, welcome back, everybody. Here we go. Places like Monarch and Nyhart in the Little Belt Mountains, foot of snow, maybe more. In and around the Highwoods, the Highwoods could pick up 2 feet of snow here. They're very heavily dependent on elevation, the snowfall amounts. Geyser could see a few inches. Certainly south of Geyser, closer to the Little Belts, picking up a solid amount of snow, and a few flakes are beginning to fall up over McDonald Pass. All of the passes, Kings Hill, McDonald Pass, Rogers Pass, Deep Creek Pass, we'll be looking at difficult travel overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Still, there you can see a little prescribed burn out northeast of Helena, out near York. Not a bad day, 59, but boy, the clouds are beginning to darken, and same goes for Great Falls, 58 degrees. By tomorrow morning, we could be looking at some snow all the way down into Great Falls and into Helena. All the way still into the 60s out in eastern Montana. But here it is, winter storm warning, 5,000 feet and above here. Really, 4,500 feet is going to be about a magical number here for snow accumulation, but above 5,000 feet, 6 to 24 inches. And again, I think the Little Belt Mountains, maybe up there at Showdown, and then also the Elkhorns, could be 30 to even 36 inches of snow. Think of all that liquid equivalent that we certainly could use. Along the Rocky Mountain front, maybe a couple inches, Hart Butte, East Glacier up to St. Mary, but more than a few inches as you get west of Ashodo and west of Augusta, right up on the Rocky Mountain front there. Here's the storm system beginning to move in, some rain showers, couple rumbles of thunder out there, and yes, some snow up on the Continental Divide, and it's really right up on the divide, and then south of Helena, the big belts where we could get belted with some snow here. Great Falls, quiet, but starting to see some showers come in here through around Belt and close to Geyser, and again in and around the Highwoods here. Places like Highwood could get a good amount of snow, and southwest Montana, that precipitation continues to increase. This storm is developing. It's blossoming right now and will reach its peak intensity as we get after midnight into Friday morning. So here's what will happen. Some good rain, south central Montana, a lot of rain poised to move up into the eastern part of the state, but by later this evening, rain moving into Great Falls, some rain around Helena, some snow continuing into the mountains. Rain tonight in Great Falls, rain tonight in Helena and at Townsend, even around the Lewistown area, picking up some rain tonight, but heading into early tomorrow morning, that's when we'll likely have what's called enough dynamic cooling that will at the very least get a rain-snow mix in Great Falls and in Helena, and a couple hundred feet above town levels, we may see some wet snow accumulating here. Lewistown, rain going over to snow, and snow will likely be pretty heavy out there into parts of Fergus County and Judith Basin County, Mark County, Wheatland County, Lewis and Clark County as well as we go into Friday morning. Look at some of that rain. Not so much Havre out through Cut Bank, but Havre over to Glasgow, some rain showers here. Heavier rain, eastern Montana by tomorrow afternoon. Still have snow in the mountains, and then showers in the lower elevations. Even if we do see a little snow in Helena and Great Falls tomorrow morning, it will go over to rain in a matter of a few hours. That system clearing as we head into early Saturday morning. And then here comes the next one. Active pattern here with some rain showers and higher elevation snow moving into Helena later in the afternoon and into Great Falls by the evening. So look at some of these snowfall amounts here. The Highwoods, the Little Belts, the Big Belts, again down around the Elkhorns. We're talking maybe a couple of feet, but we're not done with the snow here as we go through the weekend. Another couple inches in the mountains Saturday into Sunday, and then Monday night into Tuesday could be a deja vu all over again with additional snow. So that is a good amount of moisture here over the next several days. Numerically, again, Great Falls maybe up around the airports could see 1 to 3 inches, but even in town could have a couple slushy inches. Helena out in the valley, maybe 2 inches, but the hills around town, about a foot of snow. Lewistown, the higher terrain around there could see 12 to 18 inches of snow, and the mountains again, as much as 1 to 3 feet. Looking longer range, we've got that system coming through Saturday night into Sunday. It's out of here for Monday early, but Monday late. The next storm system comes in, which could produce some rain and snow into Tuesday. And then Wednesday and Thursday, a big time warm up before we get more moisture late next week. Here's the forecast for tonight. Rain and lowering snow levels. Look at these temperatures, so well above the freezing point, even around Lewistown. It probably won't be until early tomorrow morning. And we see that snow up over Kings Hill Pass, Deep Creek Pass, Rogers, and McDonald Pass. Some heavy wet snow tomorrow morning. Snow levels rising through the morning hours. Rain in eastern Montana. It's a cool day with highs well below average. Saturday, the next system coming in. We're in the 60s in eastern Montana, 50s with showers in the western part of the state. Sunday could be a little soggy, especially Great Falls, Helena, Bozeman, and Butte, America. And then Monday, here comes the next storm system with showers, thunderstorms, and more mountain snow. So a very wet pattern, but looking ahead, 70s this time next week, Wednesday and Thursday. It could even be close to 80 degrees in some areas.